He's the head of the largest police union in Cleveland. He wants the Ohio Governor John Kasich to ban, temporarily, open carry during this week's Republican convention. All rise, Judge Andrew Napolitano is here. Now, the Governor, Kasich, says you can't do that. You can't suspend the law temporarily. You just can't do that.
Right. Governor Kasich is correct. But there are far broader implications to what the police want.
Sure.
Start by saying, I understand his motivation. I mean, he's saying this in reaction to what happened in Baton Rouge and in Dallas.
Okay,
and it's understandable.
I'm going to interrupt you, Judge. I loathe to do that. But bearing in mind what...
interrupt me?
I do.
Why do you do it so much?
Because I'm loath. Look what happened in Dallas. Look what happened just yesterday in Baton Rouge.
Right,
Police are targets. They're being ambushed.
No question
This is a contentious situation in Cleveland, and we have the Black Panther Party saying, we're going to be carrying guns.
Well, if they lawfully carry the guns, as dangerous as that might be, they have the right to do so. Look, since the Supreme Court opinion on guns, the seminal one called District of Columbia versus Heller, in which the court said the right to keep and bear arms is a fundamental liberty, it recognized it in the same category as freedom of speech. So the governor of Ohio, the legislature of Ohio, I'll say this blanketly, can no more take away guns that are lawfully owned than it could silence speech. Those two rights are in the same category. And police officer Loomis, who's a professional, and his colleagues who are professionals know that the way you win this is by keeping calm and having superior firepower. You can't win it by taking away people's rights.
In some ways, the Republicans have to live with this.
Yes.
Open carry is what they want.
Yes, you're exactly
got it.
Right.
They can't suspend it temporarily because of the emergency of the situation.
I will tell you where it has been suspended, in my view, unconstitutionally. In the arena. In the arena. That's a public place. So if you go to a basketball game in there, and you have the right to carry in Ohio, you can carry the gun in there. But you go to the Republican National Convention, which stands for the Second Amendment, which will nominate Donald Trump, who says he's the best friend the Second Amendment ever had, you lose your right to keep and bear arms.
Powerful argument for the left.
Yes.
You guys and you Republicans, you wanted this, now live with it.
Yes, yes, you want it except when you're afraid of it.
Yeah, it works both ways, doesn't it?
Yes, it does cut both ways.
Freedom works both ways.
Yes.
Judge, I'm sorry it's so short because it's a very important subject, but I'm sure you'll be back.
If you'll have me, even though you're loath to interrupt.